Hi, this is Konstantin from Aquarray. Welcome back to another episode of tutorials on our Droplet Microarrays. In this video I will explain you how to use the DMA-Slide adapter with an i.Mini. Many lab devices are designed to work with microplates. However, microscopy slides have their benefits and are a common tool. This is why for many lab devices, slide adapters are available. In the case of DMA-Slides, we usually use adapters from Tor Labs or others. The DMA-Slides can be used with many different nanoliter dispensers.
For printing cell suspensions, we have made exceptional good experiences with the Certus Flex by Giger and the i.Mini by Dispendix. Using the DMA-Slide with a nanoliter dispenser is simple. All you need is a microscopy slide adapter.
Start with turning around the adapter. Insert the DMA-Slide with a functional side facing upwards. Finally, make sure the slide is aligned to the correct side. Prepare the i.Mini. Insert the DMA adapter. Insert the source well into the source tray. Then start the dispensing. As you can see, printing with a nanoliter dispenser is fast. A DMA-Slide with 1152 spots and 100 nanoliter is printed in less than 2 minutes. Today we learned how to successfully use the DMA-Slide with a nanoliter dispenser. In one of the upcoming videos I will show you how to keep evaporation in check. So please stay tuned for the next videos demonstrating cell culture, washing and the new product line, the Droplet Microarray Plate.